Good day investors, welcome to the 12th of November 2014. The trade today is called SB Miller. Code is SAB and the last traded price was R624.66. The action is to trade it short or from a high to a low. Entry level will be R625.22 on the dotted blue line here. And the stop loss to be used is R640 on the red line. Your target is going to be on the green line of R595.65. Looking at the open trades at this moment, Impala and Standard Bank are still open. And the closes of yesterday was Old Mutual and Exxaro on the 11th of November. Looking at the top 40 index of the JSE, this is the top 40 shares. The blue line is the index movement. And the dotted blue line is the 5-day moving average, and the solid grey line will be the 20-day moving average. Currently still trading above the 5-day moving average and the 20-day moving average, and it did come a bit down yesterday. Looking at the Dow Jones Industrials, that's the US market index. The day closed 1 point positive to a new record high, the 5th day in a row now, on a level of 17,614 points. So it's on the red line there. Currently the futures are showing a bit of a negative opening for late afternoon at 4:50 of about 33 points, but we need to track it as it goes up and down through the course of the day. Gold is trading at $1,165 per ounce. Rand and dollars at 11.21. Gold picked a bit up. The rand and dollar came a bit down from the 11 rand 50 levels to 11 rand 21. Asia markets are a bit mixed at this moment on opening. So as you can see, this is the highs called up your Bollinger Bands, and you'll basically see we're going to be on the high of the Bollinger Bands here, there on the red line. Going to the J200, or called the top 40 index of the JSE, and just by looking at this, you can actually see there's the downward side. Tested the 61.8% breakup happened. Had a high here on the 23.6% of 45,000. Came a bit down. Currently at 44,980 points. Now, looking at the bands, broke the middle green band upwards. Currently trading between the red and the green in a positive channel upwards. For any time this one needs to come down, now you can use this lows here. And that low level will be about 44,306 to be used if it needs to come down, and the height, if it needs to break up, is about 45,200 points. At any stage, if you break that up, the next high could be back to the 46,000 level in the short term. Looking at some shares, Shoprite. Now Shoprite did move higher, back to this level of 170s, currently trading at 167.02. So it did break up nicely in this channel here. I just want to do something here on this specific trade, and I'm going to take the Bollinger Bands away and add the indications. I just want to show you something here that's very important. This was a negative trend or channel. And basically we need to track this very closely now in this negative channel. So here's the highs. Now the big question is, if you zoom this now in to a 2-year chart, you will basically see it's currently breaking this bit of a top side of the chart. And I'm just going to call up a candle, and on the candle you can see, yeah, that's there. So my concern here is, will this be now just a test and breaking down? If it comes back to the 160, it could go lower from 167, or is this just going to be a high and a new start of a breakup happening in this 5-year downward channel? So we need to track this one closely. Every time it comes to the tops, start to turn around to the bottoms. But let's see what happens with this specific share in the short term. Looking at Mr. Price. Now, Mr. Price is doing well, breaking new daily highs every time. It's about the last 4 or 6 days. As you can see, it's just breaking new highs and new highs and new highs. Yesterday it was almost up 4 or 5 rand, trading at 235 at this moment. but still in a positive channel going upward between the green and the red. Looking at Woolies, now again, use this low of 23.6% as support, and the 80 Rand is resistance. If it breaks the 80 Rand, going back to the 83 Rand 41. If it breaks the support, definitely can go back here to the 71 Rand levels, currently trading 78.93. But it's still positive at this moment between the green and the red side Bollinger Bands. Let's go and look at your banking shares. Did the same, tested this 23.6% on 170 Rand, moved up to the 175. That's the new current highs it's testing here at this moment. I'm going to take the Bollinger Bands away. I'm going to put this here on a 5-year chart, and you can see this high here was about 177. So the share is testing previous highs after a short recovery, and basically use this as a low support level that currently has a resistance level. Standard Bank. Let's look at Standard Bank. Wow, the share is really struggling to break into this triangle that we've actually drawn up here the last day, and you can basically see it's going a bit sideways, so we need to be very careful on this specific trade. Anything could happen very soon. The breakup could be upwards, or breakdown could happen downwards, but if you take this here on a 5-year chart, and you can actually see it's the previous highs of 150, so it's struggling here at the sideways. Let's track it closely in the next few days. Going to MTNs. Now MTN as expected came a bit upwards here, the 250 level, currently trading 22.99. We need to see if this is going to be a support level here. That support level is about 226. If it breaks it, definitely the share could go down, or the share can go back to this pattern, the sideways pattern here. Vodacom started to lift up after the double top, fell on the double top, got support here on the 61.8% in the short term. The big question, if you can break 150, definitely you can go higher, back to the 132 levels. But the support level here is this low here that I'm pointing on, and that low level will be about 127.50. Currently trading at 129.14. At any time for breaks is 127.50, there could be more downside to the share back to the 122.95s. Imperial Imperial is getting support at 23.6%, or the price of 184.20. There's the double top. So if at any time for breaks this 184 level, definitely downside back to this 175 level. But as if you call up your Bollinger Bands, it's still trading beautifully in this upward channel between the green and the red line upwards at this time. So let's track that one closely as well. CFR. Now, wow, look at this. Tested this high point that we've identified the last day on this purple channel going downwards. So just want to show you clearly. Here's a 5-year chart, and there's the downward channel happening. A lot of support here currently. I'm going to zoom in. It's quite busy on the chart, but I just want to show you high, low, and it came down. Look at this 23.6% at 95.40 and 95.64. At any time for breaks it, next low could be back here at 91.61 levels. Definitely in the short term. Calling up your Bollinger Bands, it's still trading between the middle green and the red line at this moment in the channel. Well, traders, enjoy your day, and let's see how the markets plays out.